And the race is on. Ale, ale, Joshua's laughter getting better on the further outside. Eternal Flame rushing out to take the lead. Eternal Flame, Joshua's laughter getting better. Storm Gus from the outside and running by the release Dream Supreme. Eternal Flame, Joshua's laughter. Storm Gus is racing from the outside, getting better. Dream Supreme is racing fifth by Alenkin up Kyrell, Ale Ale, Speedy Maki, and a long way back to He's the Man. Rounding the far turn, Eternal Flame, Joshua's laughter is running by the road. Storm Gus racing from the outside, getting better in between runners, and Dream Supreme is running by the road. As they race the last 450, Joshua's laughter is now the leader. Eternal Flame from the outside, fighting back Dream Supreme by the road, and getting better. And during the last 150 meters more to run, Eternal Flame from the outside, Joshua's laughter by the rail, and Dream Supreme getting better. Eternal Flame, Joshua's laughter, and Dream Supreme, and nearing the finish line, it's going to be Dream Supreme close with Eternal Flame and Joshua's laughter.
Okay, we have a close finish for first.